How to change a business account to a personal account in PayPal. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change a business account to a personal account in PayPal. First, log in to your PayPal account with your email address and password. After that, click on the contact link located in the bottom left corner of the page. Subsequently, to change PayPal from business to personal, here, you will get a messages link in the bottom left corner of the page. Please click on that link. Now a message box will open. Here, you can tell them you want to change your PayPal business account to a personal account, or you can also call them directly and ask them to change your account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.